Good morning, love. Dito na ako nagkain. Nag-breakfast na ako. Kasi gusto ko ng coffee kanina. Pero sasama kita pag kuha ang coffee. We rented a motorbike for only, magkano to? 300 kasi multiple days yung ano namin. And we're currently looking for a place to eat. And we actually saw this. Tumigil kami kasi magmamaps kami. Only to realize na power plant siya ng Coca-Cola dito sa Tagbiran. It's so pretty!
Day 4.
Diba? There's a bridge nga.
Dito. Somewhere naglubog pa dito.
Remember, Sempak seat sail daw.
Ay! Ano ba target mo? Kala ko nasa likod.
Yung X yung tinatarget niya. Cherry na yan, cherry. Cherry na, cherry.
Welcome to the Now Adventure Park, where you're not paying for the ride, you're paying for experience. So first things first, we actually got this guide. They do offer rooms. So one thing to remember, pag pupunta kayo dito, is that you can actually stay here. As a matter of fact, pwede kayo magbayad ng short time, 3 hours, for only 500 pesos. They do have rooms here that's good for 2 people. They do have rooms that's good for 4. And you can add extra for the beds. When you come here, you only pay 60 pesos per head. They also do have parking. So, yes, pwede kayo magdala ng sasakyan. However, limited yung parking sa taas. So, if you guys decide that you wanna come here at may dala kayong sasakyan, one thing to remember is iiwan nyo dito sa baba yung sasakyan and then you will ride a motorbike papunta sa taas. Actually got here around 12. So naka-lunch break sila. But they do have a restaurant and the food looks fantastic. This is also where we got itong pamphlet na to. So habang nag-iintay sa mga naka-lunch na tour guides, I just want to quickly show you. There's the restaurant. Andito yung mga rooms. And merong satellite dish ng signal. Although walang signal yung smart ko. So, you might want to plan ahead. And know na walang masyadong LTE dito. Papakita ko naman sa inyo mamaya yung mga adventure rides. But, they do have packages. So, one thing to remember, you might want to check the packages. May mga mura naman, may individual, like the Giant Swing, they have the Swiss Slide, Zip Bike, Sky Ride, Swimming Pool, Sea of Clouds, and the famous The Plunge. The food looks great. Hindi na kami kumain. Ay! So, this is the restaurant, and this is where we're waiting.
Jaybird and...
That's Jaybird and Gretel.
G-grade.
This is the ticket booth. Extremes. Siyempre, papasweet pa ba tayo? So, these are all the activities. Yes. Ang dami, di ba? Pero kinuha lang talaga namin is, ano to? The Giant Swing. And then, of course, dahil taga Quezon Province tayo, we're not missing the plunge. The Papski is taking the plunge. Ibibigay niya ba ang pagkatao niya kina ate? Trust the process. Ano nga ate? So, all you have to do, guys, when you come here, you go to the ticket booth, and then you pay here. Pero may pila for the plunge. So you're not yet paying for that. Kumbaga, meron ka pang time na mag-back out. Just,
Hindi na mag-think.
But no one's backing out because, syempre mayabang tayo. Dapat pagdalaban natin ang mga gusto natin sa buhay. Bumiyahe na tayo ng napakahaba. But this is the place. Okay. So the Swiss slide, pwede daw, etong Swiss slide, pwedeng nakatandem. Pero paano mahal? Paano? Nakapatong ako sa kanya. Mokong. They also have a swimming pool. They have Sea of Clouds, kaya lang early morning yan. And then, just a precaution, bawal yung mga may taong may mga ganito. There.
Diretso po to ng Giant Swing. Then, sa Skyride, kahit dito lang, kahit doon kayo dumaan sa cafeteria, diretso na po doon. Yung Skyride, may pangalan naman doon, ma'am.
Okay.
So, diretso mo na kayo.
Ito, diretso is
Giant Swing.
Giant Swing. So, we are now on our way to the Giant Swing. We are very confident. Tapos dito yung daan pag-ikot papunta sa ano, okay? And ang lakas dito. Meron pang isang like mini restaurant here. They call this the cafeteria pala. So there's this cafeteria. And alam nyo, parang sa buong biyahe namin ng Bohol, ngayon lang ulit ako nag-vlog. Like, ang dami na namin pinuntahan, pero hindi ako nag-vlog. Because I'm not feeling very, very well. But today is the day that we enjoy. We have... Ayan na, Ade.
Uy, mas mataas to kaysa sa Kaliraya, be.
Yeah, so it's there.
Oo, taas nito.
Pero parang masaya na. Hindi ko kasi na-try yung sa Kaliraya.
Hindi ka ba nag-swing nun sa Kaliraya?
Jack? Oo, ka na.
Honestly, I feel like this is gonna be worth it because look at this view. Oh my God. This is Danao, Bohol.
Hello, isang comment.
Video pa. I-video mo ko. Eh, sunod ko. Ako na pag-video eh. Pinang-anak ba? Loya.
May something dito sa bilbil. May ipit lang yung bilbil ko.
Ako din. Medyo...
Mommy, I suggest you meditate while going up. You breathing exercise while going up.
Ate,
And then, gain all the strength.
uncomfortable.
Thank you lang.
Hindi, masakit dito.
Oo, masakit.
Masakit. Wala, wag.
Medyo uncomfortable.
So, di naman talaga
Hindi man pero parang may pressure lang.
Just chillin'.
Strong ako.
clear mo na yung throat.
Eh,
Help.
uy, ayan na. Ayan na. Ayan na. Ayan na.
I am a strong, independent woman. No one can destroy me. We can do this, baby. Hindi ako nagkilay. Hindi talaga.
In preparation.
Ayan na, ayan na, ayan na.
Bye guys.
See you.
See you when I see you.
It's been a long... Kanina Tokyo Drift yung kanta eh, no?
Sabi ko nga, dala para natin yung speaker.
Good afternoon. May Jayan, sir.
Tapang ako!
Una ka, bu?
Una ako, tapos dalawa ko.
Wala na siya.
That was a long shout.
Sabi ko pa naman,
Hindi na gano'n nag-take words.
bilang natin yun.
Whee! Whee!
Sumobra ata yung hatak sa amin sa
Sumobra talaga.
Tinatakot ka na ni Kuya. Nanginginig ang tubig. Yung tawa mo para kang nakaisa.
I love it.
Kumusta ang tuhod?
Second round.
That is a success. Next is Skyride.
Uy, habo.
5 minutes lang. Ate, tsara. Ay, may kabilisan pala siya.
Piloto may vertigo.
Oh.
What a nice!
Oh, that is interesting. That is interesting. Yes, please. This is Sikatuna's Mirrors of the World. When you get here, guys, pro tip, so dun yung parking, what I would recommend is pagpasok nyo sa entrance, you're going to have to pay like 150 for day tour. Pagpasok nyo dun sa gate na yon, turn left and go straight here, dito sa restaurant. So, dyan yung daan nyo and you'll get to this beautiful restaurant upstairs. You don't have to worry about the price, guys. Although, just a heads up, they only accept cash. Now, I highly recommend you try yung mga meals nila. It's about 200 pesos lang. And then after that, you go back down and now you can start exploring. Georgie!
Coliseum.
Everything here looks so pretty. Mm-hmm. But you're my favorite view. Wow. Good morning. So we're currently walking dito sa Bohol. We need to find a suitcase, and we decided to take a walk, check out some spots, and our first stop is Our Lady of Lourdes Parish Church. You know, one of the best things that I love about Bohol is magkakalapit lang halos yung mga pasyalan. Especially if, halimbawa, nag-decide ka na magstay sa Panglao, as in magkakatabi lang yung mga kainan doon, mga tourist spots, beaches, places that you can go to. Pero for us, kasi nag-research ako about Bohol, and madali namang makarating sa Panglao kung talaga, but the best place to stay is in Tagbilaran kasi mas mura yung mga hotels. And then there's also food. They have bigs here. Lechon belly. Sarap. And marami din ditong malls sa mismong bayan ng Tagbilaran. Kaya, pwedeng maglakad-lakad. Kagaya ng, yung napagstayan namin kasi sa Travel B, tapat siya ng Light Port mismo. So if we like wanna party, wanna drink, andun siya. And then if we don't feel like going out, I can just people watch from the window. And then, 1.6 lang yung room namin, plus may ano na siya, breakfast na siya. So, ang laging game plan namin ni Popski is, ang kain lang namin is breakfast sa hotel, and then one more meal, no? One more meal outside.
Sira nga OMAD ko dito.
Sirado ang OMAD niya, nagagalit siya. Kasi nag-OMAD siya ngayon. And then, today is our last day. So, we decided to walk and just explore yung mismong bayan. And check out yung other, kasi dito sa mismong Tagbilaran, merong iba't ibang malls. Ang na-explore pa lang namin is Altasita. But merong Bohol, ano yan?
Yung Island City na-explore na rin.
Oh yeah, we were able to explore Island City last year when we were here. Galleria, at saka
BQ?
BQ? O basta yun yung i-explore namin today. Ganda ng mga bahay dito. Ang lalaki ng mga bahay. Meron din ditong self-service, laundry. It's perfect. So, there's Novo. And then I don't know kung ano yung nasa... Ayan yung supposedly pagstayan natin na no hotel. Okay, but we're not going there. Tapos, ito yung kinainan namin last year na Tuslobuwa. Masarap dyan. So, this is the first mall. It's Galleria Luisa. Although, I'm not sure if open na siya.
Open.
Anong oras ba nagbubukas dito? O may sasakyan? Parang ang bukas pa lang ay okay. O may bus cafe din dito.
Ayun yung tattoo eh.
Okay, so we're going to try this out later. Ito. Yes.
Sa taas.
Galleria Luisa. Parang sarado pa nga yung mismong mall. So, one of the most famous na kainan dito sa Bohol is this bee farm. And they have this cafe called the Bus Cafe. Although, quite frankly, I didn't, like, it's nothing special for me, no? Yeah. Yung, I was expecting so much from the cafe, and I twice na kami kumain doon, I never understood the hype. So there's Handyman. So we're here. Ito yung mga stores here. And then natin si Papsi ng shirts. He needs it. So that's not a success. Wala silang bigger sizes. And si Papski is 3XL already.
Gutom
So
ang mga
we're
tao
now
dito, gutom.
we're now gonna try dito naman sa katapat lang, like as in lapit lang, BQ Mall.
Couple of steps away.
Yeah, just a couple of steps away.
Oh, may massage din pala dito.
Yup. Ang dami rin ditong massage. And you know what, guys? So dito tayo sa BQ, 'di ba? Ayun yung Altasita, which is yung lagi naming ina-explore na mall. So we're here. They have the supermarket, but we're going, saan tayo? We're going to... Ay, mali.
Market dito. Ano sa
Oo. We're looking for the department store. Dalawa lang naman ang items na kailangan natin bilhin. Ano yan?
suit? Lagi.
Luggage, and then t-shirt ni Papski. Okay, this looks promising. They have everything I think that we need. Yes, nakita ko na ang hinahanap namin. Luggage. Pero we need something green. Very close to, yes. Oh, 70 off?
Hindi cheaper.
Okay. Oh, magkano? Yung malaki is 13. Maliit.
12.
Bakit?
Ang brand niya.
It's the brand, yeah. We need to find something cheaper. Ito, magandang kulay. Ayan, that looks nice. 3.5. Okay, so that's good. So we got this luggage for only 2,090. Perfect. Perfect siyang pang hand carry. Yep. That is a success. Now, one quick turn dito sa taas bago kami bumalik sa hotel. And that pretty much concludes our hot girl walk. Hot girl walk! Naalala ko si ate hot girl walk sa TikTok. Si hot girl walk, yung nasa Bantayan na nagta 10,000 steps a day. Nasa day 90 na siya. And that's super nice. I didn't get to count or even like document the whole 10,000 per day step journey. But she inspires me to do it. It's like so nice. Like usually pagka ganitong nasa bakasyon kami, more sasakyan. Kasi syempre hindi namin alam yung daan. Pero since second time na namin dito sa Tagbilaran, medyo familiar na kami dun sa mga street. And hindi naman siya mahirap memorizing. Really nice house. That was a good 12-minute or so walk. We're back dito sa aming hotel, and Papski will use the restroom while I start packing. Another adventure on the way to there.
Habit. May Muay Thai dito. Pero 900 per kuha.
Session. Ay, yan yung Tiger Muay Thai. Dito siya. Okay. So,
Ayun, no? Ang liit.
Oh, that is interesting.
Oo.
We can check.
Compared mo sa ano, yung Tiger Muay Thai sa Thailand.
Mm-mm.
Ay, yun. Yan yung ano.
So this is South Farm with Uma Restaurant. So we're here at South Farm, and our first stop is here. So there's fun at South Farm. Ito yung kukunin namin. These are some of the things that you can do, and there's like a lot.
Ayun, kung pasalubong.
Ano?
Peanut kisses.
Oh, that's nice. Sige,
Yan, carrot
let us.
chips.
Ayan, magkano? Oh, the question is, do they have Gcash? Oh, that is cute.
Ayun, si Pau Pau.
Yes, baby. Uh-huh.
Si Pau Pau.
Ay, cute. Look at the white one, dear. Magkano yan? 135. Okay. And then what else? What would you recommend?
Napang pasalubong. Carrot chips.
Rabbit. Pasalubong for the families. Families. Secured. So first order of business, food. They also have workshops here. Here's the menu. You show me your the other one.
I wanna fly or listening.
So this is the menu. And they also have yung ice cream ng Bee Farm, which is perfect. There. There we go. I just ordered spaghetti and lollipop. So we're going to, actually pumunta lang kami dito because gustong i-check ni Great yung rabbit hobbit nila. But they also have the bird aviary, we have the guinea pig, and meron din ditong aquaponics at saka hydroponics and other attractions. So this is like their mini bamboo shoots that replicates yung man-made forest nila. So this is the propagation area. They also have mga maliliit na areas here. Mga shed where you can rest. And this is the parakeets. So they have the birds there. You can actually feed them. But instead of going there, we are visiting the rabbits here. So this is the parakeets. And you can bring the kids in. They're also known as budgerigars. So you can feed them. That is nice. And then here, super cute birds.
No.
No, we're good. So many guinea pigs. So cute. Yeah. Hi. But we cannot touch them. We have to ask the farmers to help us out. So this is the rabbits. The rabbit habit. And we have Gretel and Jobert feeding the rabbits because she wants to know like how do they feed them, like the houses. So Great is asking the farmer, "Wait, why you cute? Uy. Malunggay."
Ito lang daw yung food nila mami.
Uy,
Want more? Oh, you're sick.
bakit?
Mangy.
Ha?
Want more?
So
Kambing din pala ang
cute.
pupo nila.
Nasaan?
Ano yung bilog-bilog?
Yes, Poppy.
Ah.
This is their poop. You can actually, that's the best fertilizer. So if you have plants,
Oh.
yung poop nila, Poppy, anak ko lang yun sa backyard.
Oh.
The
scatter mo lang.
Oo.
Oo, nagabulan na
Pero this is bad.
Yung hindi bilog.
watery poop. Ayun, nagpupoop yata siya.
This is a poop na yung siya, very small.
Oo.
So baka may siya something.
Okay.
Pero see, pooping.
Ayan, there.
You know that rabbits eat their poop.
Dogs too.
Oh, my dog too. Bamboo.
Our dogs eat their poop too. We can go inside, love, actually. You wanna go inside? Hindi na rin ako. Kasi mas kita ko yung full view here. So, this is the rabbit habit. Like, there are... How many... Oh, that rabbit is sleeping. Pero they're very active, oh. There's about 20 rabbits here. So cute. Ang ganda, no? Asan? May betlog daw yung rabbit. Ang cute. Love. So much greenery here. May papaya sila. And they have a lot of farmers, actually. There's Java plum. Hello, kuya. Okay. May excavation dito. They're probably doing something with this one. Oh, may pottery din. Ha? Ha? Miracle fruit. Ah, yan. Hydroponics. So, pretty big place. Tapos may kanya-kanya silang designated areas. Like, for example, nandito yung mga koi. And you can feed them too. Pero best if you look for a farmer to help you out. So, nandyan yung mga koi. And then, they also have goat village, pig pens, duck, chicken camp, duck hut, turkey car, sheep shed. But look, oh, dito lang sila. Free range sila, pati mga manok. Free range din. Hi. And then here, I think it's the pig. Oh, wow. Hello. And here, they have a horse. Baby, gusto kong hawakan yung horse. Baka ko lang. Ha? Hindi pa ba siya pagod?
Nag-ihila lang yung pagod kasi dami niyan.
Ha? Ah. Hi, horse. Diyan ang hawak ko. Uy!
Diretso lang. Diretso, huwag ka matakot.
Takot ako sa kanya.
Diretso lang, diretso lang. Diretso lang. 1, 2, 3, go. Yan.
Oh my God!
Dapat mo na ito. Sindel ka man. Hawak ka dito.
Oh my God! Huy! Hindi pa siya pagod. Nakakatakot pala. Ay! Payat siya, kuya.
Hindi, ito ano to?
Old. Usually, anong ano nila? Oo. Natagilid ako. Natatakot ako. Hindi. The goats. Hi, sheep. Parang lakas maka-farmville mo. It's the pig. Hi, pig. He's sleeping. Piglets. Yes. Oh. Mas malaki pa rin yung nasa ulo. Ayan. And we're now off to the fisherman's village. So there's a fishing lake, prawn farm, playground. Oh, this is nice. And this is, I think, their park. You can order here and then you get to eat here. Mm. So there are kids there. There's Uma Restaurant and Prawn Farm, and we pretty much covered everything.
Hindi, ay, yung Pandayan Pottery, hindi natin.
Oo. Kasi dun siya. O, dun yun.
Tayo ng
Ito.
fire pit na dito. Tayo doon,
Sal.
The next